second piece of the leader's act compass, is that as a leader, to be confident, we need to know ourselves, we need to understand others, our role and responsibility in our present job, but also our organization. It's something that's not in here is our industry. To be the best confident leader we can be. There is I call it a central thread to leaders' competencies, and that's emotional intelligence. We spent a lot of time with this, so we're only take a small piece of this. But keep this in mind, I never heard emotional intelligence when I was in the Army for 30 years. So even when we were mission command, empowerment, we really grew. But this is something that I learned later in life, right? On that leadership journey, and spent a bunch of time studying it. So I realized that was a component, frankly, that I could be better at. Emotional intelligence is not very simple, but it's your ability to successfully interact with others, to manage yourself, to motivate others, to be able to understand your emotions, which is not easy, right? Especially when things are difficult. And it's appropriately responding to others. We did a big exercise about how sometimes our emotions get hijacked. How did that just happen? Being able to tie into your emotions, being able to perceive, control, and evaluate your emotions is hard.